This takes 45 minutes to make here, but watch what happens next.
Industrial ovens hit temperatures most home kitchens never reach.
Can you spot the transformation?
This machine holds a secret. It locks in every flavor.
We're mixing 500 kilos of rice in under 2 minutes. Here's how. Which spice makes or breaks this dish? We source chicken from suppliers 100 kilometers away. Let's trace where it comes from.
Engage the hoist slowly.
Tension secure!
Guide it out now.
All right, lift it up. Keep it coming. Watch that corner, watch that corner. Hold it right there. All right, lowering now.
Temperature check. It's still below 4 degrees Celsius.
Everything stops here until we're ready to begin. All right, clear the bay.
Copy that. Initiating door closure. First rinse removes surface bacteria.
Why warm water instead of cold? Warm water is essential because it effectively removes residues while optimizing the lifespan of the reusable equipment.
We recycle 95% of this water back into cleaning.
What if samples fail testing?
Batch approved. Now the real magic begins.
This catches anything metal. Why separate by size?
Moisture control determines cooking uniformity.
Doors opening. Clear left. Clear right. Move it forward. Copy that. Rolling.
How long do they stay frozen before cooking?
In less than a day, these pieces will transform into something extraordinary.
This is where magic happens. This is where the magic happens.
Which spice transforms this dish?
Once sealed, there's no turning back.
How hot does it get inside?
The cooker does the work now, perfectly balanced.
Thermal scan complete. No hotspots detected on the exterior seal.
Good. Recording compliance successful.
Outside heat is controlled. The real magic is locked inside.
The cooker is ready to open.
Now we reveal what's inside.
Reading is 87 degrees. Confirmed. Data logged.
87 degrees Celsius, within spec. Documented.
Does it pass the taste test? Checklist confirmed. We are clear for portioning.
Understood. Starting the line now.
Cool enough to pack, hot enough to stay fresh.
From raw ingredients to finished product, the journey is complete.
Perfect conditions preserve freshness for up to 7 days.
All right, keep it coming straight. Easy now. And hold it right there.
Locked. How's the tension?
Solid. Good to go. Keep coming back. All right, hold it right there. Securing the load now.
Manifest confirms 40 units for row 5.
40 units secured. Supervisor.
Temperature locked, ready for delivery.
Doors secured. Seal is tight. Now it travels to restaurants across the region. From the factory floor to your plate, this is the complete journey of industrial biryani.